Welcome to this soothing chakra balancing meditation, a journey designed to release old baggage and restore the harmonious flow of energy within you. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit or lay down. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in and breath out, letting the tension of the day melt away as you inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Begin by bringing your awareness to the base of your spine, your root chakra, that's located at the very bottom. Envision a warm, vibrant red light at this point. And as you breathe in, repeat the mantra, I release all fears and insecurities, allowing myself to stand firmly in my truth, embracing my foundation of strength and stability. I am grounded and secure. Imagine the red light expanding and strengthening, grounding you to the earth's energy. And if you like, you can even touch your root chakra. Now shift your attention to your lower abdomen, where the sacral chakra resides. Picture radiant orange light, glowing and swirling. With each breath, repeat the mantra. I release old patterns and limitations, any guilt or shame, embracing and nurturing my creativity, and embracing my authentic self. I embrace my creativity and passion. Let this light grow brighter into a creative flame. Moving upward, focus on your solar plexus, the seat of your personal power. Visualize a bright yellow light like the sun's warmth. As you inhale, repeat the mantra. I release self-doubt and embrace my authentic empowerment, illuminating my path forward. I am confident and empowered. Feel this light radiating confidence and self-assurance all around you. Now shift your awareness to your heart chakra, to your heart center. You can take your left hand and put it on your heart, and then take the right hand and put it on top of it. Imagine comforting emerald green light, filling your chest with love and compassion. And with every breath, repeat the mantra. I release past wounds, hurts, and resentments. Open your heart, allowing love and compassion, allowing the healing to flow freely within and around you. And say, I open my heart to give and receive love freely. And let this green light expand all around you, giving the love both to yourself and others. Now guide your attention to your throat, the throat chakra, and you can touch this place. Envision a soothing blue light like the calm ocean waves. As you inhale, repeat the mantra. I release any unspoken words and unexpressed truths, allowing my authentic voice to be heard. Now, I express my truth with clarity. I express my truth with clarity. Feel this light opening up your communication channels so you can speak freely. You can move your focus to your forehead, the third eye chakra. Picture an indigo light like the night sky filled with stars. And with each breath, repeat the mantra, I release illusions and doubts, trusting my inner wisdom and intuition to guide me. I release uncertainty and trust in my inner wisdom, seeing beyond the surface into deeper understanding. Now I trust my intuition and inner wisdom. Feel your intuition growing stronger and stronger. Finally, direct your attention to the crown of your head, the crown chakra. Imagine a radiant violet light connecting you to the divine. As you breathe, repeat the mantra, I release attachments to ego and surrender to the divine flow, connecting me to the universe's wisdom, to the divine guidance. Now I am one with the universe. Visualize this light expanding upwards, creating a bridge between you and the universe. You can take a few moments to bask in the harmonious energy flowing through each chakra. As you have repeated these respective mantras, feel the balance and alignment with your being. When you are ready, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly out, gently returning your awareness to the present moment. Open your eyes and carry this renewed sense of balance and vitality with you throughout your day. And thank you for joining me on this chakra meditation journey.